Okay, oil news release in 15 minutes. Plus 4 ME on oil. What does this mean? Oil news, unlike any other news. If you have higher number than 4, it's actually negative news. It means we have oversupply of oil. If we have oversupply on oil, it means oil will collapse. Let's take a look on the charts and let's talk about our expectations on oil. When it comes to long-term charts and you're still short on oil from 106 as you trade Alpha Wave Trader method, you have no worries in the world. You know extremely well that we are at reversal zone, and you know extremely well that we're witnessing only bullish corrections. No bullish reversals here. If you are short oil, your stop currently at 55. Again, if you're trading monthly chart and if you had been short for the last year. If you had been shorting oil on smaller charts, let's take a look where we are on our crucial day trading hourly chart. On our crucial day trading chart, hourly chart, the story is very different. If you remember, yesterday we were in the room and I was buying oil from here. And as I spelled out to you very, very clearly, you know, Alpha Wave Trader method, there was no perfect place but to short from here. Shorting here, the story becomes very, very different. We are in the middle of bullish correction. So again, as a day traders, short trend overextended, bearish trend taking very, very powerful pause. And for that reason, I highly encourage you, don't ignore bullish corrections, as it can become powerful bullish trend when it concerns hourly chart. Clear? A world of difference if you're trading monthly or if you're a day trader. As a day trader, we will be taking long and short trades back and forth, back and forth. We're witnessing buyers picking up this theme, which is not surprising. We are at reversal zone on hourly levels. Let's take a look a little bit closer when it comes to daily charts on oil. What is the daily chart telling us? Here is oil daily chart, just like hourly chart at reversal zone, which means bearish trend extremely tired. Market may stage bullish rally until 44. This would be crucial level to the upside on daily. If buyers blasting through this level, that's when it will become very, very interesting. So again, hourly chart at reversal zone, daily chart at reversal zone. We are in the middle of bullish correction. Will this bullish correction become powerful bullish trend? Paying attention to oil very, very carefully, as when it comes to day trading and when it comes to hourly and daily charts, bearish trend way overextended. And just like you witnessed yesterday, we may see powerful bullish rally. This level is first to the upside, 44.41. And again, don't ignore this level. If sellers will step in from here with vengeance, that would be a marvelous place to short from. If buyers breaking through this level, showtime. This bullish rally migrates into daily chart. Again, short trend is tired. Just like yesterday I took 4 long trades on oil, I may be doing exact same thing today. Right now, bullish correction, both bearish and bullish trend is minor. It ain't pretty. Extreme caution, extreme warning. Sellers show drastically more powerful structure than buyers. But will the buyers pick up this theme? Will this structure become powerful that we can respect and take to the upside? Highly possible. Again, caution, sellers are tired. Question remains, will buyers pick up steam and give us the bullish rally we enjoyed yesterday? That's what we're monitoring for very carefully. If you are short on oil monthly, no worries whatsoever. Remain short. And that remains the key. What time frame you trade? If you trade with 70 stop or 70 point stop, is your account 5,000 or 500,000? That determines what time frame and what chart you trade. Will oil give us bullish rally? We are in the middle of the bullish correction that's picking up the steam. Again, this is how I work during oil news release. I ignore completely everything that oil does the first 5 minutes. I allow oil to settle down. Only 5 minutes after news release, the trade will be taking. Make sense? And you're witnessing how much S&P respects decision point 2 on very small chart. As expected. If you trade substantial account size, trading such small chart is magic. 1 point, you are out. You are done. 50 contracts, $60 per contract. 3K, happy Wednesday. And pay attention to what will happen from this level. The same exact thing you witnessed on hourly. As S&P adores decision point 2 like no other instrument. On oil, as I warned you, 2 minutes until oil news release. So again, after this, S&P will be ignored. If S&P will floor and shock us and will break to reversal zone, next level 2063. Focus on oil, focus on oil. Focus on S&P will be at the time of FOMC. So please make sure you log into the room at 1:45 EST. Reversal zone. If you are a day trader, as I warned you, shorting here way too late. Showtime. Reversal zone just reminded you. Shorting here, bad idea. Oil just flew 100 ticks. Is everybody clear? Look on smaller charts. That's what happens if you are unexperienced trader and you trading oil. And that's picture perfect reminder. Price at reversal zone. Anything is possible. We may have magnificent bullish rally. A short trend exhausted. Anything is possible. You're witnessing 20 seconds after news release. That's what oil is teaching you. Respect and obey the markets. Don't ever be in a trade at the time of the news release. Are you clear? I warned you, bullish correction. Will it become something meaningful, or will oil be at this level in a matter of seconds? That's why don't ever be in a trade on oil the first 5 minutes after news release. Now let's take a look and let's see what the announcement is. We have twice as much supply on oil. What does it mean? That more than likely oil will collapse. But let's not forget, when it comes to day trading, we are at reversal zone, in the middle of bullish correction. Wild ride on oil. That's precisely the reason why we adore oil news days. Never ever ever boring. Reminding you always and forever, if you're trading oil, you already double your account elsewhere. Picture perfect reminder, don't ever be in a trade on oil at the time of the news release. Clear? Who the heck cares? We have twice as much supply on oil. Adjust your stop, 44.20. Decision point 2 is in. Clear? Respect and adore this level as always. Don't ever disrespect it. Execution is crucial on every trade. Our trade continues through. Expect huge selling pressure at 44.50. One tick prior to reversal zone. Anyone wants to respect fundamentals when price contradicts it? I warned you. As a day trader, we are at reversal levels. Yesterday my bias was bullish. Never get sold. Move your stop outside of break even. Trail closely. Clear? Reversal zone is in. Expect selling pressure. Oil blasting through 44.67. My trade migrates into hourly chart. And that's the magic of the price. That's why I'm so proud of the method I developed. That's why I'm on the verge of losing my voice. Anybody wants to use any indicator? Anybody wants to disrespect reversal zone and trade randomly on fundamentals? You have to be out of your freaking mind. Price is magic. It's only temporary bullish rally when it comes to larger time frames. Again, this remains the key area. Bullish rally will break through this level. Bullish trend is major on hourly. This is day trading room, one step at a time. In order for my trade to migrate into hourly, it needs to break through 44.67. Anybody surprised that we've seen selling pressure? Woo! Reversal zone is reached. We are out of our magnificent trade on oil that's collapsing. Bam! I warned you. We expected selling pressure. We knew when to stay out. The moment of truth. Will sellers continue it collapse? We are at very crucial decision point on oil. We bought oil and we knew exactly when to exit. And here is the push on oil of 20 ticks. This push to the downside may become 200 ticks. Remember, I'm projecting that eventually oil will be here and all the way down to here. Unless it will floor and shock me and will blast to 46, which is highly unlikely. Don't ever disrespect reversal zone. Don't ever buy at these levels. Don't ever short at these levels. Shorting here, way too late. Buying here, way too late. And that's the magic of the price. That's where you look to short from. That's where you look to short from. That's where you trail your trade very carefully or exiting completely. But we know and see very clearly 90% chance oil heading to 40 to 70 and 41. Nevertheless, this is day trading room. Therefore, respect and obey what oil is telling you. As at any moment, buyers may pick up this steam. Just the same way S&P reminded you how crucial alpha wave trader proprietary Fibonacci levels are, and how essential it is to play by the rules. Again and again and again, I warned you, no shorts here. Anybody wants to trade on fundamentals? If you're a long-term trader, you are absolutely remain short on oil. If you're a day trader and you're shorting here, you are in serious trouble. My bias is only bullish. Who cares about 2.5 times supply of oil? Means nothing. Second bullish trade, second time price respecting reversal zone. Another long trade on oil ending at reversal zone. It's not just reversal zone on my trade, it's also very crucial hourly level to the upside. Isn't the price magic? And what is S&P doing? Respecting decision point 2, as I warned you. Don't ever short near. Buyers are here. We're already at 6 trades for this morning, and I'm still coming back for FOMC. So unless I have a trade right now, I'm closing the room at any moment and coming back for FOMC. How much more clear the price be? Who cares? If it's oil 1 minute, reminding you don't ever enter into it. If it's oil 1 hour, too late, too short. Expect unpredictable formations. Or if it's oil monthly, it's all the same magnificent formula. Simply respect the rules and only enter if rules are met. So guys, I will allow 5 more minutes. Buyers still fighting for their life, as today, just like yesterday, my bias remained bullish. This is only temporary support. At these levels, bias is bullish. Again, the fight on oil is vicious. Shorting here as a day trader, the worst idea ever. Again, bearish trend on large time frames, magnificently bearish remains. As a day trader, shorting here way too late. Bias short from here, never at reversal zone. By the time you come here, your only option is buy. 4 bullish trades yesterday, 3 bullish trades today. Push yesterday was magnificent, flawless. Today is very weak. Clear? This is all that's oil giving me right now. The conflict between small time frames versus large time frames is huge. So let's buckle up and let's get ready for FOMC. Again, short from reversal zone, stuck at very crucial support levels. As I warned you, nothing spectacular, magnificent on S&P today. We've done again 3 bullish trades from here. As I warned you, structure yesterday was drastically more magnificent. Nevertheless, we managed to pull 1 point, 2.5 points on S&P. We managed to pull 20-30 ticks on oil. First trade was negative. Out of 6 trades, 1 trade is negative. And this is the result so far this month as of March 18th. 37 trades, 33 trades positive. You witness what happened when we stuck in correction. Picture perfect example. Number of times I would take super duper aggressive trade, showing to my students very clearly when it's essential to stay out of the markets. S&P, 27 trades, 24 are positive. Can anybody remind me? I don't remember. Did I document the last trade on S&P that reached reversal zone? Yes or no? The trade when we stayed for 30 minutes at reversal zone. Did I document it? Yes or no? Greg says no. Thank you. That was trade number 28 that reached reversal zone. Clear? Reminding you, respect and adore. Decision point 2, move your stop to break even. So ciao, kapao everybody, back for FOMC.